next award in the category of spiritual and social leadership for this year goes to Acharya Prashant Ji. From Prashant Advait Foundation, Acharya Prashant obtained his B.Tech in the year of 1999 and MBA from IIM Ahmedabad in the year 2003. A visionary leader and spiritual teacher, Acharya Prashant has awakened millions through his advocacy of wisdom, ethical living and inner transformation. He has revived Vedantic wisdom for the modern world through the Prashant Advait Foundation with 160 plus best-selling books and transformative teachings that integrate Indian philosophy with global thought traditions. His work spans environmental advocacy, compassionate living and ethical reform, earning him PETA's most influential vegan award in 2022. Most importantly, with over 55 million YouTube followers and influence across premier institutions worldwide, he is regarded as the world's most followed wisdom leader. I'm so grateful I discovered him during COVID times. So please come and share a few words to our audience.
Many thanks to the IIT Delhi Alumni Association, Director, the Dean Alumni Affairs for this award, this recognition. And most of all, I would want to thank the Institute through a very small incident that I just got reminded of, and that will tell how much I stand indebted to IIT Delhi when it comes to doing what I could do the little bit and being where I am today. You know, the last award I got here was when I was sitting in that corner. So that was 1998. And just as I sat on that chair, I was reminded of that. That was not a very significant thing. That was the Best Actor Award. It was the Best Actor Award. And 1998, it was an inter-college or inter-hostel competition. And I was playing the soul, the silent witnessing soul. And there was the common man here in the usual run of daily life, not having a voice. There was an entire activity happening here, entire universe happening here, and I was not supposed to utter a word. I was sitting there in the corner. I had no dialogues. I had to just emote and express through facial expressions. I couldn't even move. So I was squatting there, sitting there, not speaking, not moving, just sitting. And I was to be the voice of the common man without uttering a word. And I think I have tried to be that, the voice of the common man, the one who could give a little bit of expression to the suffering that we all go through and the love for liberation that we all innately have. Thank you, IIT Delhi, for catalyzing my journey. All that I experienced here, the great academic structure, the friendly and competitive peers. Without that, doing what I have been attempting to do could not have been possible. Thank you again. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू आचार्य जी. आपसे जब भी मिलती हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है कि आपको लाइव देख रही हूँ या यूट्यूब पर सुन रही हूँ. इट्स ऑलवेज अ पर्सनल कनेक्ट, एंड जितना आपको सुनो कम है, सीरियसली. I thank Acharya Prashant for being with us today. I think he has to leave. Thank you so much, Acharya ji, for being with us today.
देखिए, जैसा समय चल रहा है उस समय पर नेशनल डेवलपमेंट का ये अवार्ड है, आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन टू नेशनल डेवलपमेंट, राष्ट्रीय विकास, जो हमारी पूरी संस्कृति की, सभ्यता की बुनियाद है। और उन्हीं को आम लोगों में लाने के लिए हमारा पूरा गीता शिक्षण कार्यक्रम है और वेदांत को पढ़ा रहे हैं। तो शायद इसी कारण से IIT दिल्ली अलुमनाई एसोसिएशन ने ये जो अवार्ड है ये दिया है, और मैं अनुग्रहित हूँ, क्योंकि ये जो अवार्ड है अगर ये मुझे आया है तो वास्तव में ये जितने नागरिक हैं भारत में उन सब को सही दिशा मिले, उस सही दिशा की ओर ले जाने के लिए आया है।